This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 91 of Building Optimus Prime. We're continuing the left leg in this issue. At some point we've got another wheel to get. I don't think I've got that in this pack though. But for now, we'll look at Vivian Wembley, descendant of Merlin. Yeah, I remember that. That was from the one of the more recent ones. Quite good. Life Giver, Optimus Prime, Force of Creation. I thought that was the Allsparks job. Snapdragon. Oh, no memory of that at all. It's obviously from a cartoon by the sounds of it. Back to the rescue bots. New faces. Salvage. Quick Shadow. Sideswipe. Sideswipe, I remember as being a name from a thing. High Tide and Servo. High Tide's quite cool. It's like a tugboat type rescue boat. Good stuff. I'm going to say the Decepticons don't really fit in with the rescue thing, but some episodes they mention them. Yeah, because it's all about helping people. It's not about, I like a little dog drill thing. Strange. Right, left leg part 6. Optimus Prime's left leg. Yes, we've got some screws, we've got some bolts, we've got some decorative bits to add to what we've been building along so far. We get to use the bits from before, put the joint together, and continue on. Yep. So, yeah, we're not going to be adding the foot yet. I thought we might be adding the foot at some point, but not quite yet. This is sort of the lower part of the top part of the leg, so coming down to the knee. All right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. All right, so lots of parts as well as bits from before that we're all going to be assembling now, I think. First up, we're going to be using this bit with the flap. We've got a pin that goes through there. There. Some of these are very tight fits. Might need to... Oh, there we go. Just get that through there. There are little bayonet bits that lock in place there. So that's that. Then we need one of these washery type grippy bits. Don't know the official term for it. That'll go in there. Then we need to bring in this going onto there, as I thought it was. From this side. Yeah, we've got another one of those, right. So one of those goes on there, one of them goes in there. I haven't tightened that bit up because I wasn't sure exactly where it was going to end up being, so move that well out of the way. That goes on there, that goes on there. They will go together like that. Then on the other side of this, we've got the other one of those. Round on there like that. And then this bit, the other one goes in there. Need extra pairs of hands, the other way up. Goes on there. That then goes on there. All goes together. That. And then something's going to have to go onto there. That bit. All right, that then goes onto there. That going down. That's already got a nut in it. All right, that's interesting. That's going to go in there, and we need the bolt to go through there. Right. We move all this out of the way. The bolt is going to have more washery things on it. Again, we've got bit washer, first, then normal washer. There. That goes through there. All the way up to there. It's all over the place. Little geared thing. Empty. Move that out of the way. Right. There's that. What I was looking for. That goes on there. Like that. And then that will screw into it. I didn't put any of this away. That will screw into there. And that will be holding all of that together. Yeah, good. Oh, all right. That was a little bit easier than I thought it was. Feared it was going to be. Put that on there. I can get that tightened up. That as you like. But this will still move. A little bit too tight. No, that still moves. Good. I shall leave that like that then. Move those over there. Move that to there because I'm sure I'm going to need that in a minute. There we go. And then there's this bit goes underneath that. That hole there by the looks of it. Go in there. The decorative bit. I shall get those screws tightened up on there as well. Now I know that's in the right place there. Oh, I need to go tighter than that. I shall get my other screwdriver out and make sure that's tight. Next, though, we've got that bit. Well, that's where that gear thing's going to go, I think. Right, let me get this all tight and then figure out the next step, and I'll come back to you. Right, that's all back in there. I've actually put one of the little split washers under that to hold that tight, because no matter how much I tightened that up, it still wasn't holding in well. But now that is, and it does still move, but is much more secure. That's obviously on there nice and secure now as well. So that's that. Next up, we've got this piece to put into, where does it go? Over that bit there. Like that. But there's these two mini washers to go on there as well. That's the tricky bit, to get one in there, one on the other side. Then we've got to get that over in both. That. And then that screw goes through there. Through all of that, into itself on the other side. That. There we go. That is that. Good, a little bit of movement there, which is all you need, all you want. One screw left in there, so that's not going to be that. Then these bits go together just by pushing in. Yep, just like that. That little bit will hold that together. Where does that need to go? It goes on there. Nope, can't tell where that goes. Did that bit. Oh, that goes onto there. Sorry, no, I'm missing a step. That goes through there. Like that. That holds that together. And in from this side, yep. That in there, that way round. There. You know you want to. There you go. There. All the way through. Another one of these that's got to be just lined up exactly right. or it doesn't move. The other side, hopefully, yeah, there you go, without damaging the plastic the other side. That goes all the way in, like that. Got some movement there. So then that bit goes the other way around. I've got that the wrong way around. Let's take that back out, turn that round. Let's see, can I push that out with that? Right, let me get that bit out, turn it round, and then we'll attach that onto wherever that needs to go. On there, so on one of those posts. So we'll get that done in just a sec. And then we've got the last bit to put together. So I'll see you for that in just a sec. Right, that's that back on there the right way around this time. So that's on there like that. This bit that I had loose needs to bend up out of the way. And that goes on there. And a screw with one of those split washers on it to go to hold that on there like so. So I think I probably should have used the washer on the other bit, but I neglected to last time. We'll get that on there like that. So that's got some movement there. I remember this bit from last time, from the other leg, but not entirely. So there we go. That's that on there. Next and finally, we've got these bits to assemble. That goes onto there. 3 pins go through there. Let's get that the right way round. Round. Oh, the pin's coming out the back there. That's that one. Right, okay. So that's got that way round. And that's going on top of there. That way round. So that goes on there. Those 3 will go through there. We'll get them the right way round. There's only one way round they'll fit. Good. That on there. Then these 2 bits, the little decorative pieces, go on the outsides of that. Like so. And then that whole thing goes onto there. We've got 2 bits there. There. That bit, yeah. That lines up on there and there. That bit goes back down over there while that goes on there. Nice. Right, so it is all coming together. Flaps working and everything. So that's that. Another part of the leg completed. I shall. There's any we meant to keep. I didn't actually use. Just double check that I've not put something in. No, it said. I don't know. Oh no, there is 2 more. Yep, I should have used those. Which hold that bit together as well. Right, let me get those in as well. I thought that was a bit strange. So it's not just a bolt holding those together. There are 2 more screws to put in. So let's check. There's one there and one there. So I might need to get that bit back off. That in a minute. Yep, 2 more screws to hold everything together. Finally. Yep, a little bit of disassembly to get into both of those. But that's that. Done. So consider that done. Consider that done. Next time, I think we do have another wheel to build, but I think we might actually be putting them in place. We might not, but we'll see. Obviously, going to go one on there and the other one somewhere else. So see you for that next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.